Hello and welcome. In this video, we will be solving the equation x divided by 4 plus 1 equals 4 to find the value of the variable x. Follow along step by step as we work through the problem together. Let's get started. To solve for the variable in the equation x divided by 4 plus 1 equals 4, we start by focusing on isolating x. First, notice that x divided by 4 plus 1 is equal to 4. This means we need to get rid of the plus 1 on the left side to isolate x divided by 4. To do this, we subtract 1 from both sides of the equation to maintain balance, since subtracting the same number from both sides keeps the equation true. So, x divided by 4 plus 1 minus 1 equals 4 minus 1. This simplifies to x divided by 4 equals 3. The plus 1 and minus 1 cancel each other out on the left side of the equation, leaving us with x divided by 4 equals 3 on the right side. Now we are ready to proceed to the next step. Now to solve for x, we need to eliminate the division by 4 that is attached to x. In order to remove this division, we do the opposite operation. The opposite of dividing by 4 is multiplying by 4. Therefore, we multiply both sides of the equation by 4 to keep the equation balanced. So we take x divided by 4 equals 3 and multiply both sides by 4. This gives us x on the left side and 3 times 4 on the right side. Multiplying 3 by 4 gives us 12. Therefore, we have x equals 12. This means that x is equal to 12, and we have isolated x and found its value. So the solution to the equation x divided by 4 plus 1 equals 4 is x equals 12. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.